DJI is about to release their first ever 360 camera, the OSMO 360. We got the official leaked renders, the first details about the specs, and the release date. As always, I'll tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at the leaked renders, posted by Quadro News on X. The design is quite simple, but from these images we get a clear look at all the details. At the bottom, we can notice it will get a tripod thread mount, along with the regular magnetic mount of the previous DJI cameras. On the right side, there will be the USB-C port and the micro SD card slot, along with speakers and the power button. Right below the screen, there's the record button and the mode selector, with one of the 5 microphones that the camera features. 2 are located at the top, and the last 2 are placed up front. Finally, the battery slot is on the left side. Another interesting detail is hidden below the lenses, and it's this small cutout, meaning that the lenses could possibly be replaceable. Let's move on to the camera specs. The OSMO 360 is rumored to feature 1-inch sensors, which provide significantly better low-light performance compared to Insta360's counterpart. And by this leaked render, we know it will be able to record in 8K at 30 frames per second, just like the X5 from Insta360. Finally, the release date is set for mid-July, according to Jasper Ellens, but we still don't know anything about the price. I'll post all the updates in the channel's community tab, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new leak, and drop a like if this video was helpful.